Assalamu alaikum. There's been an update to the Nusuk application, and I'm going to show you how to book a slot, an appointment for the Rawdah. So once you download the Nusuk application and register, you go to the menu which is on the left hand side with the four circles. When you click here, you can see three options: Umrah, Hajj and Rawdah. So we click on, or we choose Rawdah. So here we have Rawdah Sharifah, and it asks you at the bottom, who would you like to book for? So we got males and females. So I'm going to click on males, and on the next screen you will see your name, and you just click next. Now on this screen you can see the dates and times that are available. So Tuesday here, again the time has passed, so we go to Wednesday. Here we have times from Fajr, from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, Dhuhr, so from Dhuhr to Asr, from 11:20 to 12:20. And again, there's slots and times available for females as well, as you can see on screen. We got Asr, so for males, Asr to Maghrib. Okay, so from here, those are the times available. Again, for males, from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock, and Isha, so from after prayer until midnight. So here you can see the times that are available. They haven't opened up yet, so like before for the instant track, try to check every 20 minutes to see if there are any slots available. So on this screen we can see the times that are available for the date. So for example, if we click on 4 o'clock here, it turns green. At the bottom here we have confirm slots, so we just click on to confirm slots. Here on screen we can see the day and time of the Rawdah. You can, if you're okay with this time, you can click on confirm booking, or you can choose another time. Now here we have the terms and conditions, so just take a look. So things to know before visiting the Rawdah. So all visitors are allowed to book Rawdah visit once a year, while repeating visits is available through the instant track. As I said, you can check every 20 minutes. So Rawdah visit time is 20 minutes, so that you can pray to Allah with peace. You must confirm your attendance before visiting Rawdah to avoid booking cancellation. The attendance confirmation is available 48 hours before the visit, and it closes 2 hours before visit time. And once you book your Rawdah, you'll receive a QR code 2 hours before the visit, and it can only be used once to enter the Rawdah. Now if you're unable to visit on time, please cancel your booking immediately to be able to book a slot again, and make sure to arrive at least 30 minutes before your visit and head to the entrance area with your QR code ready. And the Rawdah visitors will not be allowed to enter without the QR code. And as it mentions here, please try to cooperate with the organizers in entering and exiting Rawdah to ensure your comfort and the comforts of other visitors. And make sure to leave the Rawdah when your visit time ends, as other visitors are waiting for their chance to enter. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.